Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Saranya here and she is my daughter Pari. This is my first vlog in this channel. I really thank you all for love and the support which you are showing to me. Because of you people only I reached 37k subscribers. It is really a big thing for me. Really thank you so much. So today I thought of putting a video to show three important street shopping places in Mumbai. So the first place we are going to see is Dadar, and the second place is Bandra, Linking Road, and the third place is Colaba Causeway. All these three places are very important street shopping places in Mumbai. You can get everything in very cheap rate over there. So I am going to show all these places. So let's start the video. So now we are going to see Dadar. Dadar, it is a very old street shopping place in Mumbai. In Dadar, they are selling everything like salwar suit, kurtis, t-shirts, saris, blouses, fancy items, jewelry items, sandals, everything. You can get everything in a cheaper rate over there. In Dadar, there are a lot of wholesale shops wherein they are selling fancy items and beauty products. According to me, Dadar is a very good street shopping place in Mumbai. Now we are going to see Bandra Hill Road. In Bandra, they are selling western outfits, fancy items, handbags, sandals, and sunglasses. In Dadar, if you see, they are selling everything. Like you can buy saris, blouses, vegetables, fruits, everything. But in Bandra, you can expect only these clothes and fancy items.
Now we are going to see Colaba Causeway. Colaba Causeway, it is very famous for its fancy items. Here you can find different types of earrings and imitation necklace.
Hello everyone, I hope you all liked the video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos. I will see you all in my next vlog. Thank you. Bye bye. Pari, say bye. Say bye. Ta-ta. Yeah, ta-ta. Thank you guys. Bye.